Well, first we're going to unbox all this crap. Logan's been wanting to get his hands on a exotic here, so we're going to get his, what do you want to call it here? But definitely going to get his feet wet to start tearing apart an R8. So we're going, today we have another Gen 2 R8 in the shop. We're going to be doing Valvetronic exhaust, but we're doing their headers as well. So that'll be a first for the shop. And yeah, start tearing this stuff down and see how Logan likes tearing the exotics apart.
Maybe worse than that Lambo, huh? For that guard we
Same process, yeah.
Same thing, yeah.
I forgot about that. We did. I guess he has got his feet wet a little bit. Yeah, this is going to be a lot more work.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to hear this. I know the videos don't do it justice.
They never do it justice, but this is going to be stupid loud.
That's gonna sound.
That's going to be insane. Engine's offset, if you never noticed that. Like in the bay, it's not centered.
Really? Yeah, I never noticed that.
Having those two right side by side is diabolical.
Yeah, they should maybe look into some cardboard.
I guess they should put cardboard around their gasket for
I think everybody else. Cardboard. Look at those instructions, bud.
I know exactly what to do.
Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect.
And those packs aren't that big, are they?
I mean, put a lot of effort.
Okay, that's big enough.
I don't know, man.
That is a crazy looking exhaust.
Yeah. And it's upside down. That's pretty wild.
Wow.
First things first, I'll get the lift under this, make sure it's in good position before I pick it up. If it is, I'll start tearing the top body panels out of the way. Then get the car picked up, start tearing the wheels, the bumper, the undershields, all that out of the way, and slowly expose the back of this thing, because we're going to explode this in 1,000 pieces. Alright, so at this stage, both of the stock manifolds are out. We did not pull the engine. We decided to take a different approach and do it with it in the car, which is still just as much work. It really is. At the end of the day, it takes just as long. One manifold's halfway in there right now. Logan's ready up top. He's going to grab it while I reach underneath and get it stabbed in the lower bracket, and then we'll tilt it up into place. Get this thing bolted in. These go into place much easier than pulling the factory ones out. 100%.
So I go towards the front a little bit?
I'm locked in, man.
That's nervous.
Ready to check this thing out?
Yep, it's all back together.
It's all back together, ready to fire up and go rip it and get some videos.
finished up?
All finished up. Caleb's got the keys.
Yes,
we
sir.
just took it for some rolling shots and let her eat and let him experience it. So, what are your thoughts, man?
That was extraordinary. That was the best experience I've ever had in my life. And Matt here really knows how to handle such a beast. They did an amazing job with the install. It came out perfect. It sounds amazing. Shout out SPEEDhaus.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Check it out. Let us know what you think. We got plenty of audio clips coming up. And like and subscribe and comment.
It is all the way down there.
Just cruising. That's insane. I wonder how long we're gonna hear him when he takes off.
Probably till Turnpike.
Probably. Then we'll hear him at least a couple blocks. Definitely hit the light.
Yep. That's crazy.